happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you more good health, stay malusog, and stay pretty like me. And salamat po sa lahat kasi you're always here for me. Lagi mo kong pinaglalaban. Alam ko yon. Kahit di mo sabihin sa akin, nararamdaman ko yun na lagi ka nandyan for me, pinapatatag mo. Ako, always, kahit alam mo, minsan nanihina ako, nandyan ka pa rin para gabayan ako. You can be a mother for everyone in the CFC, but you're my only one and only mother. I love you so much, and sana keep on serving the Lord and CFC. Sana tumulad ako like you and Daddy na continue yung CFC hanggang ngayon. And sana, salamat sa pasensya kasi kahit matigas yung ulo ko, andyan ka pa rin nagkikare sa akin. Lagi nyo pa rin akong tinatanggap kung sino ako. Thank you very much talaga. Enjoy your birthday and I hope nasayahan ka sa surprise party namin. I love you very much.